Good evening, Dr. Sung. I'd like to present the first assignment. I'll start with the program first. Um, I have this is the my computer activity class. Uh, the first method is the on activity result to catch the result from the child activity. I have the on create over here. And then I have something that I just want to try on. So I guess, I mean, this is not required, but I figure, if I can try it, might as well put it in the program. Pretty much like, this is just a dummy because we don't really have any download process as far as, big files, images, but, it just a prototype. I created two functions here to taking care of the computation. I have another method here to taking care of the go to the other activity part, and the other two pretty much it's their override from the superclass. Okay, and that's my computer activity. My multiply activity is pretty standard. I only have the on create. I declare all the variable for the objects in XML, out here as a private variables. Um, and I also have the this is something that I know is not required, but it's something that I just I was really curious about this one, and I hate that whenever I have to when I opened the application, the keyboard popped up right away. So I was trying to figure out a way, how to prevent that, and I figured out. Um, so when you open the application now, you don't have to. Well, the keyboard's not going to pop up, and when you're done using the keyboard, you can just tap anywhere on the screen, and that'll hide the keyboard. I know without the this listener that wouldn't work. And this is my the competition, the result, and to display it on the result text field. The add activity is pretty much the same thing. I was thinking about making the add activity and multiply activity as a child of the computer activity, but I kind of got sidetracked and didn't get into actually building that way. I know that the as far as the object-oriented programming is concerned, that's the best way because add activity and multiply activity, they're pretty much the same thing. The only difference is just the how you actually compute the result, the total. Okay, so now let's get into the actual application. Let me run it here real quick. Okay, I know it's kind of laggy a little bit, but you can see it over here. It's running. Um, Let me add the. I did some error checking here. I'm using Text Watcher, but I created my own listener for my own class for the Text Watcher. Pretty much, you can we require to have a real numbers, so that means decimal. Um, if I put 1, one 1.2, that's fine. But if I put 1, comma, it'll say please fix your input. So it's one of the properties from the text field. Now let's have an actual number, 2.5. Okay, I tap somewhere on the screen and the keyboard's gone. Let's do add first. It'll bring out to the other screen. and then let's compute the result. And after that, I press back, and it'll show the result. Let's see if we I don't change the number at all. Just I just press multiply. It'll take us to the multiply activity. Compute the result. There it is. And go back to the first activity. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yes, let me close this.